Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday morning. Now, I've been watching Shane with the Jake Paul story, okay? And tell you the truth, some of it's good, but the part where he says that YouTubers are psycho, that part bothered me because I use YouTube. Okay, I'm 57 years old. I'm not a psycho. I have feelings. I show emotion. But some YouTubers don't show that side of them when they're doing and making YouTubes. Okay, they don't want Joe Public to see him cry. Okay, when they're vlogging or doing pranks or, just trying to entertain the public, trying to entertain their followers or subscribers. But Shane, you did a heck of a job. You did a wonderful job. But, yeah, this is a big but. Not all YouTubers are psycho. I don't know if Jake Paul's a psycho. He does great videos. He's a great entertainer. And he's looking to be bigger. Like he said, someday he wants to be a billionaire. Well, that's his goal. That's his dream. And he's trying to fulfill that. So why get in his way? Why do this documentary and make his subscribers, which are mostly young kids, from 8 to 16, maybe. I watch him and I'm 57. I think he has some great stuff. Some things he goes a little overboard. But I watch Roman Atwood, Faze Rug, Lance, 210. I watch, oh God, what's his name? He lives in New York. He's a big YouTuber too. PewDiePie. I watch Ellen and Jared. Ellie and Jared. I watch a lot of them. I can't name them all because I do watch a lot of YouTube videos. I try to watch as many as I can during the day when I'm not busy doing my thing. Now, I make YouTube videos, so does that make me psychic? I don't think so. I use YouTube as a advertising platform, as a learning platform. I make videos for Facebook tips and tricks. I use Facebook to advertise my YouTube video SEO services, my VA services, and a lot more. But why try to make YouTubers look like they're all psycho? Because we're not. There's forms of ways that people use YouTube in different ways. The vloggers have their little section, education. That's why YouTube has the categories that they have. But Shane, let me repeat that you did a great job on the Jake Paul story. But Jake Paul is one of the ordinary, strange vloggers. You got to like his style. Like, Roman is different. Roman is totally different vlogger. He does some crazy stunts too, does some crazy things, but not to the extreme that Jake Paul does. So are you saying, Shane, that Roman Atwood has a problem because of what he does? No, you can't say all YouTubers are psychos, because it's not true. Some bloggers go to extreme for their stunts and their videos. Some are just like Roman, family man. Casey, he does a lot of different things. He's done commercials, so does that mean Casey's a psycho? No. This is what most of the vloggers are trying to land, is a movie contract or a commercial or a big sponsor. Like Tanner Fox, he's giving away a car. And things like that. They do this to not only get more following, but they do this because they want to give back to the YouTube community or their followers. Faze Rug, he does a lot of stuff. Like he helped that homeless guy out. He's helped other people out. He's given homeless people shopping sprees. Does that make him psycho? No. Mama and Papa Rug, no way are they psycho. I mean, you got to think about that. You can't say, does this mean all YouTubers are psychos? No. You have to refrain from that. You have to fix this, because this is really, really seriously bothering me. And I'm an older person, okay? And, you know, when you're a young kid from 8 to 16 or 25 years old, and they're going to watch your series, they're going to think, whoa, wait a minute, psycho, maybe, am I psycho? You know, you might be bringing on the wrong idea to these young kids. And if some of the parents watch your documentary on Jake Paul, they might stop these kids from watching Jake Paul or any other YouTuber that has pranks that, you know, nobody's gotten seriously hurt in a Jake Paul prank or a Roman Atwood prank or a Lance Stewart prank or Faze Rug prank or Mama and Papa Rug prank. If so, it isn't being said on YouTube. So, Shane, you did a wonderful job, like I said before. But there's some parts of people's lives that they don't want to show publicly. They don't want people to see them break down on a camera. That's their private life. You know, they have their YouTube life and they have their private life. Okay? So, vloggers have their private life and they have their vlogging life. So there's a big difference about psycho and private. That's my opinion on the Jake Paul Shane story. Comment below. I'm not making this video to get tons of views or more subscribers. It's just my personal opinion on how I felt about the Shane and Jake Paul story. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope this gets through to some of these young kids that watch these great vloggers, these great performers, these great actors, and just keep watching. Don't unsubscribe. Use common sense. Don't try things that it looks like you're going to get hurt. Like when Roman Atwood does something dangerous, he always says, don't try this at home. Maybe Jake Paul should start saying that in his vlogs. That might help the situation too, because there's some crazy things going on in this world, and we don't need to teach our children and get in our kids' head that, you know, it's okay to do this and this and this, and it's dangerous. Okay, so please, guys, don't take me offended. I'm not trying to be mean or to Shane or Jake Paul or to his family. I respect them all because they're creators. They're YouTube creators. There's a difference. Thanks for watching.